So what are you going to show us today, Professor?
Professor!
Did you figure out anything?
Yep.
I'm certain now that there's... Oh! Ocean depths.
Huh.
Ooh. Time to get to work. Yes. Let's do it. I wonder what this one's going to be. Wishy-washies?
Are you okay?
Solo form.
Thank goodness.
Hello, wishy-washies.
Real one's fine too. I think that was the Illumina Pokemon.
Am I supposed to hit all
Go
of
after
these?
it?
Sure.
All
I think
right.
what I'm going to do
Take
is...
a careful look around.
Sure. Hey, come on, someone. Good eye. How about you? There we go. You as well. Oh. Okay.
Hey, maybe try making all those wishy-washy glow.
Well, I made enough of them glow that they all disappeared. Okay, well. Wow. That's a good one. How do I make
Throwing
you
a
all
few
glow?
Illumina orbs in that big wishy-washy.
Trying. Yep. I gotta like, oh, they're gonna break apart, aren't they? Yeah, I think they're breaking apart. Yep, there they are. It's a school of wishy-washy. Get. Can I, please? Why are these so difficult to hit?
Whoa, really?
Yes, really. Oh, there they go. Or at least those do. Oh. Oh. They're all leaving. I wonder if that does anything. Start shooting. Hoping one of these hits. Alright, he is definitely fast. Or they are. Yeah. None of those hit. One to hit. Dance or anything? No? Yeah, I know it's there, but I'm trying to get it to dance or something. Oh, so many good shots. Oh no. Oh, they're all back. Yeah. 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 It's gonna be hard to hit all these. Any other schools around me? Do I have have to try and hit these. So I will just start throwing randomly. These are gonna be hard to hit. No? Nothing, you guys? How about here? Too high? You're moving. Yeah, it was too high. Alright, whoa! I didn't see them. Alright, is there any other schools near me? Oh, I got one. Any other schools? Behind me? Okay, never mind, they just kind of go on their own. Okay. Oh! That is a whole school of them. Alright. How many do I have to light up? Oh. I think that was enough. Alright, well, there they go. I think this might be possibly the last run of it. I'm just gonna start throwing my Illumina orbs over there. Yep, in anticipation. There he goes. Probably over here. Or not. Where'd you go? Oh! Jeez. Okay. And you are gone. Where? Oh. There you go. Bye-bye. Where'd you go? Oh, we moving now?
That was quite a surprise.
It was.
I'm not picking up any more readings near you.
Oh.
Come on back when you can.
Gotcha.
Alright.
Okay. Wishy-washy. I hope we get to choose 2 pictures for each of its forms, because if not, it's gonna suck. It says 1 Pokemon. No. You're kidding me, Professor. Wait. Why can't I choose any of those, Professor? I will take this one for now, I guess. I'm very confused as to why none of those counted. Like, what the heck? Seriously, I'm actually kind of confused. I don't know why none of those counted.
Nice work.
Thank you. Oh, we were so close to a perfect size score. But, good score, nonetheless. Yeah, definitely. The events depicted in Lentil's legend actually happened. Don't the legends say the Pokemon warded off some huge disaster? What do you think it was? Evidence suggests it was a meteorite. Interesting. The Teller meteorite. Okay. The alien Pokemon's power was scattered all over the region, making Pokemon of Lentil glow. An interesting idea, isn't it? It is.
But
Wondering if it was an actual meteor, though. Could it be a Deoxys or another Pokemon? Was the fact the Teller meteorite itself? The Illumina Pokemon are the The ones were most heavily affected by the meteorite. Oh, so it's the actual meteorite that's making them glow. Interesting. Oh, is that what maybe the crystal blooms are? Pieces of the meteorite. That is a very interesting concept, Professor. Well, guys, I think that's what we're gonna call it. I'm interested in that theory as well. Some out of this world, I don't know, dust or rocks making Pokemon glow. I'm actually interested to see where the rest of the story goes and where the next area, which is I think the Voluca Islands. So whatever is going to show us. There's a desert part. There's probably going to be some kind of volcano area, but I'm excited. And hopefully you are too. If you are enjoying the series, of course, get subbed. And as always, stay safe and thanks for watching.